district ya Bundibugyo hamwe na Kasese umucyange cya Rwenzori nazo singereye kugwibwa kw'ibigwereze no kutenguka kwitaka okuboga kw'emigera hamwe n'ebindi abaturubwa hatana bagira ngo berarikiriire ngo shahayo n'ebintu byabo nibyija kucwekerera ahabwo kugira ngo nebabire bine byona bikacwekera
titwina musiri gwa koko hati titwina byokulya titwina eitaka na mbere tukubyara manya bihimba manya bicholi manya biki
we are washed away by landslide. Cocoa gardens were washed away, so we have nothing to do as per now.
We had a school garden here, and we had a school water here, tapped water. All those ones went.
Chanjirwongwe byombe kwe bimwe birumwa amajwi abantu amashomero n'amakanisa bitandikire koreka emyataka.
And the risk we have here is when you go to that veranda there, you can see the cracks again. They are there for the veranda, showing that with any time the school may also do what? May also go.
But in the periphery of this town council, you cannot survive. It is full of, it has created valleys and some artificial lakes around because of the landslides.
Fighter Lawrence orukurebera kandi ujwekirewe by'obuhangwa nagira ngo habireho bumanyiso burukworeka ngo ebintu bimwe byatandikire kuba n'ibihwerero mu itaka.
Some evidence of sinking, because you find that some soils would go vertically downwards and it would be evidenced by the tops of the trees and crops. You would just stand above the pavement, you see a top of a tree.
Ogunagaruka agira ngo abantu binji bamazire kubana baferwa amagara gabo hamwe n'ebintu byabo.
People have lost their lives, especially in Arugale landslides claimed about 13 lives. 2019 the floods claimed about 14 lives.
Francis Senyondo orukuzunanizwa hanshonga z'ebigwererezo mu kuganiraho na TV West ajuzire kwa batura bakanga kurwo myanyeji.
Twayogera mu n'abantu abo by then twayina families zalinga 15 nene bagamba fete tulina je tugenda tusobola kuva wano mu district twakuli wano batuzalira wano so ebintu ngebe tusanga obuzibu
gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.